Hey guys, my name is Alyssa. If you are new here, then welcome. If you're already a part of the family, then welcome back. You guys, per usual, I'm just dropping in to give you an update at random because that's what I do. So I am currently 2 years and 8 months locked. I will be 3 years locked in August, so my 3-year lock update is coming up really quick. As far as my locks go, they are just out here growing. I have seen a lot of growth recently. I do less with my hair than I used to. The further I go into my journey, the more tender-headed I become. So I don't do many styles, but I don't do many high tension styles. I am trying to experiment with styles that do not give me a headache and do not cause a lot of tension. Also, I have been stretching out my retwist longer. So the last time I got my retwist, I had went like 10 weeks without a retwist, and I noticed that my hair did a lot better. So I'm gonna try to stretch my retwist out longer than I was doing previously, because previously I was going every 6 to 7 weeks. Now I'm trying to go between every 8 to 10 weeks. Okay, y'all, I got hot. I had to come up out that jacket. So aside from that, I have just been chilling, doing the bare minimum. Of course, I keep my hair moisturized and all of that. But less is more when it comes to locks. And they've been doing so well. I'll give you a close-up. You can see the texture. And as you can see, so that's how they look. I'm currently 7 weeks post retwist. I was gonna get my hair done this week, but I decided to stretch it out, so I'm just gonna wash my hair, enjoy my roots for a couple of weeks, and then get my hair retwisted. I just want to say thank you so much. I hit 4,000 subscribers, I believe it was last week. So it means a lot to me that you guys are still subscribing and tuning into my channel, even though I'm not like super active on here. I am going to start posting a lot of YouTube shorts because that just works better for me. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Alyssa Shanae. I'm super active on there. Thank you again so much for being a part of this family and a part of my journey. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.